On this episode, I do some overhead welding, some uphill welding, then I back up a trailer. Welcome to a welder's journey. On today's episode, we got a few cracks to fill on this trailer. First things first, let's back it up in the shop. It's always fun when you have 6 people giving you backing up directions. You don't know where to go. Enough clowning around, let's get to work. This trailer is pretty cool if you ask me. Okay, let's check out these cracks. Okay, it's not that deep, but it still cracks. Let's attack it head on before it turns worse. Yep, it's on both sides. I don't know if it's a design flaw, but it's cracked on both sides. Instead of gouging today, I'm gonna try the grinder. I'm gonna grind out the cracks until I find good metal. Today we're using my favorite rod, 1718 1/8 thickness, around 110 amps. Gotta get comfy. Now in the corner, I'm gonna do the same as I did underneath. 2 uphill stringers. And top it off with 2 stringers. Having a close look, it's not that bad. Alright, let's repeat the process on the other side. Here we go, the finished product. One weave uphill, 2 stringers underneath. Real nice. That should hold it. That's not a crack, that's an effect in the paint. After the video I touched up the paint, it was good. On this side, 2 stringers up top, 2 stringers uphill, and 2 stringers underneath. Alright, let's put the trailer back in the yard. Thank you so much for watching, boys. If you like my content, please subscribe.